car safety shield has blew away. That's blocking away the heat. But we're replacing the ignition switch on our C3. We're on step 3 right now, which is basically dropping the steering column. Step 2 is taking off the panel that was right here, and step 1 was unconnecting the battery, which I did not do. So we'll get to that in a second. Alright, this is a different vet, y'all, because I already dropped it in mine. But there's 2 bolts right there. 1, 2, and then you loosen those, and that allows it to have more travel to come forward and then down. Okay, y'all see it? It's 2 bolts, 1 and then 1 on the other side of it. Okay, got the old one out, and then now we got these 2 rods right here, and it should be golden. I really don't even know how this one came undone, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to reconnect that, and I think it goes in like this, but on top of the actual ignition switch. And then there's the rod for the ignition switch right here, and this sits right on top of it, like this. You know what I mean? So it's a little black piece right there, and you just push it down on top like that, and you go then. Okay, look, I got it in there. The rod is moving. I see it clicking in the ignition. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but the key is still hard to turn.